Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm preparing a snack that helped my husband lose 25 pounds in 3 months. This snack is a fruit bowl, and it's more than just a snack. Sometimes he eat it just for a midday, like quick fix me up. You ever know how you get that 2 o'clock sluggish feeling where you're feeling like between 2 and 3, your energy levels get low and you're tired, you need a nap, but you're still at work and you still got bills to pay, so you gotta stay on the clock. This is the perfect meal to make. So this is a great healthy alternative to something, just whether it's a snack or lunch or hey, even dinner, I don't know. You should give it a try. So let me show you how to make it. So first I want to start off with our apple. My favorite apple is, there we go. Okay. My favorite apple is the Honey Crisp apples. Like, they're just perfect. And if you don't have one of these, get you one. Makes your life easier. All right, so I have my apple slices. I feel like I have apple juice all over my mouth, but hey, I'm a little finicky because I'm someone who really don't like the skin on my apples. I actually will peel the skin off, but for the sake of time, I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna add my apples here. And then I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice so it doesn't turn brown. All right, so now that I have my apples, I'm gonna put this over here. Now I'm gonna cut up my gold kiwi. If you have not had gold kiwi, what are you waiting on? It has more vitamin C than green kiwi for one. And it's just delicious, like so good. So since I'm making this for my man, I'm gonna make this, I like the presentation is key. We eat with our eyes first. So I'm gonna make this pretty. Or just when I'm fixing his plate in general, or wherever I'm preparing something for him, or even for myself, because you gotta love you. You gotta make sure you're taking care of you. So I try to make sure that we got some pretty plates, not only for my man, but for me too. So yeah, you see? Cute, right? All right, so we gotta go kiwi. Let's cut up some strawberries. These strawberries are very soft. I've had them for 3 weeks though. Like, do your fruit last for 3 weeks? And if not, you may want to start utilizing a mason jar because, baby, our fruit lasts for a good little minute. And if you don't know how to use the mason jar method, I'll show y'all. So I'm just gonna cut a few strawberries just to add it to the bowl. I like to see different colors, the taste of the rainbow. So I got my strawberries cut up nicely. Want to add some red grapes to the mix because why not? Add in your strawberries. Y'all, this just looks so great already. Like, I can live off fruit. Like, I seriously can live off fruit. All right, so now I'm gonna add some keto-friendly granola. Use whatever granola you have or whatever granola you prefer, but the type of granola you choose is major key, okay? Major key. So make sure it's something that you actually like and enjoy eating. And it's good for you. This granola only has 2 grams of sugar, 2 grams of net carbs, and 4 grams of protein. And I love the crunch that it gives. Like, I'm somebody who likes to, if you like sweet and salty, crunchy, soft, like for instance, like a cake. Like, I like it pressed on the outside, but nice and moist on the inside. Like, I like all the textures. I like to play with it. It's exciting for my palate. And I'm gonna also add in some blueberries, which is adding more fiber to my bowl. And major key, add some chia seeds. Eating chia seeds daily is so beneficial for you. For your heart health, for your cholesterol, it balances your blood sugar, and it provides extra fiber to your meal. So 1 serving, like 1 ounce serving of chia seeds is 11 grams of fiber. And my final touch, honey. And again, like this bowl, if it's just, this could literally be, for me, this could literally be a meal. Like, this is perfection. Or 2 people can eat off this. It can be a great snack. It can be whatever, however you want to enjoy it. But y'all, give this a try. Like, do you see the gold kiwi, the apples, the red grapes, the blueberries, the strawberries? Like, this is the taste of rainbow. And it's gonna give me a nice energy boost, and it's gonna fulfill my tummy. If you want something that's a healthy alternative, especially if you have a sweet tooth like me, and you need something that's to curb that sweet tooth, but you wanna stay on track with your goals, make this fruit bowl. You will not regret it. All right, y'all, let's give it a try. Let's get some strawberries, some blueberries. Let's dig in. Yeah. I feel recharged. I feel rejuvenated as I'm eating it. It's reviving my soul. I feel, how do I feel? It's a word I'm looking for, but I can't think of it. But just know, this right here, 5. Now that you know how to make this, make sure you join us at the dinner table. I'm pairing this recipe, this exact same recipe, on Culinary Konversations, where I'm having a conversation with my husband that's gonna be real juicy. So you wanna make sure you check it out. Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Konversations. I'm so happy to see you join us at the dinner table today. Today I have a special guest, my husband. Hey, babe.
But you just want to talk about it?
We can talk about it. I mean, you the one that had brought it up.
What she's referring to is that we were on the verge of opening up our marriage. No, I didn't like it. I don't want to share you.
But I feel like it's more respectable when a man can please just his woman for a long time.